everyone, happy Independence Day. Today I am visiting to Agumbe Sunset Point.
Located on a mountain pass that connects the plains of Karnataka with the coastal region, Agumbe is covered with the verdant forest, sparkling streams and little cascades, making the region in the Western Ghats virtually a Garden of Eden. It receives an average rainfall of about 8,000 mm and thus called the Cherrapunji of South India. Climbing up and down the hill requires negotiating 14 sharp hairpin bends. Agumbe Sunset Point is located on one of the highest peaks of the Western Ghats and offers magnificent view of the setting sun on the Arabian Sea. This place is located on the way up the hills that lead to Agumbe. The best time to visit Agumbe Sunset Point is November to January because the sky will be clear during this period. Sunset view from Agumbe is a scene to behold. Do visit during sunset time and enjoy the captivative moments from the dedicated viewing deck. The view of sunsetting into the Arabian Sea from Agumbe is not to be missed as it offers a clear line of sight of about 40 kilometers. Full-size buses and trucks are not allowed in Agumbe Hills. The sunset point is only a 15-minute walk from the main village of Agumbe. It is often flocked by tourists visiting Agumbe who spend a peaceful time here. The sunset viewpoint is usually crowded. During monsoon it gets quite cloudy, but there are many photo locations around the place. Even driving in the Ghat section is beautiful experience. Drive yourself if you are up to it or take a ride in a bus. Beautiful view from the sunset point. During rainy season, it is very difficult to view sunset. Awesome place, just enjoy the view naturally. Gifted place, absolutely stunning with picturesque location.
This water is so fresh. Fresh and very cool. Hi friends, I am going to end my video here. Please do visit Agumbe Sunset Point once. This is an amazing place.
If you want to see falls, valleys, mountain range, reserve forests all in one place, then Agumbe Ghat and sunset spot is for you.